back-to-back videos. What's going on? Is Alan trying to fill the void with some capitalism and consumerism? Welcome back to the channel, you guys, and as you can tell from the title, we have a pair of Nike SB Dunk lows to go through. I've been looking forward to getting my hands on this pair for quite a while now, and I got it in my true size. That's a US 9, a UK 8. The 10.5 is obviously women's sizing. Now this pair dropped back in 2020, if I'm not mistaken, so 4 years ago. I wasn't expecting it to retro so quickly, but boy am I glad that it did, because we do love a good pair of SB Dunk lows. Alright, let's lift the lid on this box open. You have right there your typical Nike SB butter paper, which we're gonna pull back to reveal the Chicago SB Dunks. Let me get this pair out of the box. A Nike SB sticker with a pair. I'm gonna set this box aside as we go through this pair. Now what can I tell you that you don't already know? Now, of course, this dropped in 2020, like I was saying, so it is a reissue, not a retro really. And what I love is that it comes in this Chicago colorway. So obviously I'm going to draw comparisons with my lost and found pair. Look at that. Completed the pack, would you say? So you can see side by side they've followed the similar color blocking across the entire pair, down to the heel and the tongue tabs as well. While this pair has not been aged, the all familiar Nike SB outsole. This is a low pro, so you have this extra area or this contrast right here. A thick padded tongue, as is synonymous with every Nike SB Dunk low, and it says Dunk Low Pro right there. Nice soft panels as well, a black swoosh. You have the Nike embroidered there on the back in that tonal colorway, and your oval fat laces. They do come with a separate set of spare laces, which is white, but I think I'm going to keep it laced in black because I like how that contrast pops on the pair. The insole, you have that Nike SB branding, and of course you have a Zoom Air unit which sits right here on your heel. Nice and soft. Good construction quality overall on the pair. No complaints. Well, that was a really quick video. I just wanted to take you guys through the pair because it's a lovely timeless color blocking. Man, the smell of fresh pears, can't beat it. Oh, I'm getting carried away. And the fact that it is so nicely done, like the Chicago's, man, I think I am in love. This pair is still DS. I haven't worn it even once. Well, I've tried it on indoors, but I've not really worn it out. I'm gonna keep these on ice for a little while longer, so this might be a good consolation. Oh no, man, I don't know if I can bring myself to. Let me slip this on feet to show you what they look like. And that's it for this video, you guys. Bam! This is such a beautiful pair. True to size. On my other SB Dunks, like my Safari, it's really snug. The Supreme SB Dunks, I went a half size up. Although my born and raised is still true to size, it's comfy, but in comparison this pair feels like a lot more relaxed on feet. I appreciate you guys for staying all the way to the end. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.